I'm Satya. I'm telling about number systems in COA. There are four types of number systems in COA. You can write in the board. There are four types in number system. The first one is decimal. And the second one is hexadecimal. And the third one is octal. And the fourth one is binary. These are the four types in number systems. We can tell about the decimal number. There are numbers in 0 to 9. And the binary numbers are 0 to, there are zeros and ones. In decimal, we are example for the decimal is human. And the binary is computer. And the octal is 0 to 9. A, C. These are the four types in number systems. Now we can talk about, we can change the conversions in number systems. Conversions in the number system. The first one is decimal to binary. And now we can take in the number in decimal value. We can change this number into the binary number. This is the binary number. This is the binary number of this decimal number. Thank you.